In this tutorial we will learn how to make a plant monitor using moisture sensor and Arduino. For this tutorial you will need a soil moisture sensor, OLED display, breadboard, jumper wires, Arduino, red and green LED and Visuino software. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add OLED display component. Add two compare analog value components. Double-click on the display OLED 1 and in the Elements window drag text field to the left. In the Properties window set size to 3 and close the Elements window. Select Compare Value 1 and in the Properties window set Compare Type to CT bigger or equal and Value to 0.7, you can change this number to set the sensitivity. Select Compare Value 2 and in the Properties window set Compare Type to CT smaller and Value to 0.7, you can change this number to set the sensitivity. Connect Arduino board pin analog 0 to display OLED 1 text field 1 pin in. Connect Arduino board pin analog 0 to compare value 1 pin in. Connect Arduino board pin analog 0 to compare value 2 pin in. Connect compare value 1 pin out to Arduino board digital pin 2. Connect compare value 2 pin out to Arduino board digital pin 3. Connect display OLED 1 pin I2C out to Arduino board pin I2C in. Click on the Send to Arduino button. In Arduino make sure you selected the board and port, then click on the Upload button.